Welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Genshin Impact account. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser and in the search box at the top type in genshin.mihoyo.com and press enter. You can delete your Genshin Impact account in your mobile device or from your desktop. As you can see that I'm logged into my Genshin Impact account. You can see my username at the top right hand. If you go to account from the pop-up, you won't be able to find the delete account button anywhere. So in order to delete your account for Genshin Impact, you'll need to go ahead and open up your Gmail service provider or an email service provider of your choice. Make sure that you'll need to open up the same email service provider that you used while registering for Genshin Impact. Once you do that, go ahead and click on the compose button at the top left corner in order to compose an email. Simply go ahead and into the recipient text box, type in either genshin-cm@mihoyo.com or you can also type in genshin-cs@mihoyo.com. You can enter any one of these email addresses and right in the subject text field, type in delete my account. In the body of the text, you can go ahead and type in a request to take down your account. You can type in anything that you like. Simply go ahead and elaborate whatever you are trying to say to them. In my case, I've typed this kind of a message. Now, go ahead and click on send in order to send the message so that you can easily delete your account for Genshin Impact. It might take a while to delete your account completely, so all you need to do is wait for an email to be arrived from miHoYo. That is how you'll be able to request to delete your account for Genshin Impact using an email service provider. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.